Imagine waking up to the comforting aroma of fresh, buttery biscuits wafting through your kitchen, a classic treat that's both simple and satisfying. Achieving the perfect homemade biscuit isn't just about following a recipe, it's about mastering those subtle techniques that transform a humble list of ingredients into something truly memorable. Today, we'll walk through every step and secret for creating tender, flaky, golden biscuits right in your own kitchen. Let's begin with the basics. Biscuits are beloved for their light, airy texture and rich melt-in-your-mouth flavor. The key ingredients you'll need are straightforward: all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, cold butter, and milk or buttermilk. But it's how you handle these ingredients that makes all the difference. Start by preheating your oven to a high temperature, usually around 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Biscuits love that initial burst of heat. It helps them rise quickly, producing that iconic, fluffy interior. Next, measure your flour with care. Spoon it gently into your measuring cup and level it off. Packing it down can make your biscuits dense. The next crucial step is cutting in the fat. Use cold, unsalted butter cut into small cubes. Cold fat is essential because as your biscuits bake, the butter melts and creates steam. This is what forms those delicate, flaky layers. Work the butter into the flour using a pastry cutter, fork, or even your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. You want to avoid overworking the dough here. Visible bits of butter mean your biscuits will puff beautifully in the oven. Add your baking powder and salt and mix everything together. For extra airy biscuits, make sure your baking powder is fresh. It should fizz slightly when added to a bit of hot water. Now it's time for the liquid. Choose milk for a more neutral biscuit, or buttermilk for a classic tang and extra tenderness. Slowly pour the cold liquid into the center of your dry ingredients and gently blend everything together with a spatula or wooden spoon. Stir until just combined. The dough should look rough and shaggy, not smooth. Overmixing at this stage will make your biscuits tough. Turn your dough out onto a lightly floured surface. With gentle hands, pat it out into a rectangle about an inch thick. Avoid rolling pins if you can, as they can compress your dough and ruin those precious air pockets. To encourage even more layers, use the fold and pat method. Fold the dough onto itself a couple of times, gently pressing it back out each time. This little trick creates the classic, pull-apart texture we all love. When you're ready to cut your biscuits, use a sharp, round cutter. Don't twist as you press down, as this can seal the edges and inhibit their rise. Arrange your biscuits closely together on a parchment-lined baking sheet. As they bake, they'll help lift each other up, resulting in taller, softer biscuits. Pop your tray into the hot oven, and in just about 15 minutes, you'll see them turn a beautiful golden brown, with crisp tops and pillowy centers. For an extra touch of indulgence, brush the tops with melted butter as soon as they come out of the oven. Perfect homemade biscuits aren't just about taste. They're about bringing people together. Serve them warm, slathered in butter, jam, honey, or gravy, whatever suits the occasion. Remember, the secret ingredient in every batch is your own care and attention. With these simple tips, you can count on buttery, flaky, perfect biscuits every single time. Enjoy every bite, and happy baking.